I'm just was amazed at the limited funding and our ability to really travel.
What'd your dad say?
My dad was just like, you're going to spend 150 to 200 euros a day over there.
Which is true, right?
Which is true, but we're doing this the economic way.
Yeah.
Trying to budget ourselves, hitchhiking possibly, taking buses when we can.
Yeah. Except it's raining today, so we'll see.
Yeah, it's raining today, but I think once we get to Croatia, once we get to Eastern Europe, it'll be a lot easier to hitchhike.
Yeah.
That and things are going to be a lot less expensive. And yeah, I think we can take Ryanair too on the way out. So
yeah, Ryanair.
Plug for Ryanair.
Okay.
Alright, first pizza in Italy, out of a bag at a train station. 100% vegan. It's got a gluten-free dough, I think, and
non-GMO.
And non-GMO.
Which is the important part.
And that's very important if you're gonna eat pizza out of a bag. First pizza in Italy ever. Oh, I got my olive. Oh my god, I got it. Oh, and it's delicious. So good.
Alright, so we just made it to Trieste at about 6:20. We were traveling for the last 7 hours from Rimini. So we're gonna meet up with this guy. He's a train conductor at the Trenitalia, and we're supposed to meet him at 8 o'clock. So that's the plan right now. It's a little cloudy, nothing big, no rain. Behind here we got some sort of statue, which is quite interesting.
To learn English by internet. I said to him, why don't you ask some people, no?
Yeah.
Because every time a person come here, I learn
one or two words.
One word more.
Huh.
The part.
Oh, the neck?
The neck, yes.
No way.
Is not the best one, but I had for emergency dinner. But he's a bit old.
No, it looks great.
Yes, he's great, but he's a bit old.
So it's a little like...
no, he's good.
Mm-hmm.
But if you take the best one, it's not from supermarket. This is from supermarket. This is the singles, the single food.
I noticed that you kept the Parmesan.
But the Parmesan, the Parmesan, the true cheese for carbonara is pecorino. Is from sheep. But I haven't. Sorry, it's not the rest.
You go in the back and
go no, with my neighbor. It's too big book. We use another knife, more professional.
Two knives. We can do two knives.
But I have yes. Okay. I have one. Don't worry.
Special.
For my Alaskan.
Oh, your Alaskan fishing knife.
Yes.
That's great.
Now I cut my finger. Usually we use spaghetti for if I have spaghetti. Yes. There are spaghetti. Spaghetti la Molisana. This is advertisement because I need to earn some money.
La Molisana. The best spaghetti in Trieste.
Oh my god. There you go.
Nice. Chaparral.
This is like catching fish in Alaska.
Yeah.
But I haven't know the professional instruments.
You have the pig-shaped cutting board. I think that's professional.
The board. What is this name?
The pig?
No, the
pork. Oh, the cutting board. Cutting. Like board.
Cutting board.
Yeah.
You have to the pepper. Get out.
So no good pepper.
Yeah. Take the pepper.
After cut the slice of pork, of bacon. Like fiammiferi, fire sticks.
The fire, yeah.
Fire sticks.
5 sticks.
5 sticks
Okay.
of bacon. Oh, you lean into it, I like
Uh,
that.
okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, the
Yeah.
most important thing:
Mm.
how to cook the bacon.
Ah,
Fried.
Yeah.
Of course, it's easy.
Hmm.
Easy. It's really easy. It's only salt. Don't worry.
Alright, good.
The secret is the olive oil.
The
Ah, yes, because the taste is different from the butter. You
Uh-huh.
put some olive oil.
Some.
Some olive oil. Some olive oil.
Oh, yeah.
You let
4 or 5 tablespoons of olive oil.
you let warm
Yeah.
heat. No,
Hmm.
warm.
Get it warm. Get it
Getting
hot.
warm.
Yeah.
And-
Switch hand of it.
Meanwhile, you drink the glass of wine. Jason.
Yeah.
Jason Juice.
Jason- yeah,
Jason
Juice.
Juice.
Yes, the glass of pineapple juice.
Ciao, Jason
Alright.
Juice.
Yes.
Jason Juice.
Salute.
Come in, Jason Juice.
Yeah, okay. Jason
And
Juice.
Jason Juice. He's really dangerous when he drinks ananas juice. He becomes a bit mad, like an hooligan. No?
I like
Yeah.
it. Look at
He's smashing everything.
Yeah, he starts playing weird songs, singing.
Hmm.
Okay. Ah, wait.
We
We
have
have-
it's warmed. You have your water.
The water.
Salt in the water first. Okay.
I come from Texas.
Texas, lots of salt in the water. Alright, that's a nice.
Salt, like
2-3 tablespoons
yeah, two
per quart, 2 quarts.
2 cups.
Yeah, nice.
This on my ex, no, another one maybe.
A little
it's
bit,
better, yes, because I don't put. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now
Uh-huh.
put some pasta. This is the movement. Watch,
Hmm.
watch.
Okay.
Take it.
Oh.
Okay. How much pasta do you like? Allora, 12. You have to rate the time cooking.
12.
No, depends the
Oh, the size.
the size. No, I think it's 11.
11.
Maybe it's, 10 minutes. Are you hungry? A bit or
Average, medium.
Medium.
medium? But you are American. Usually in America, medium is like that. Super size me.
Super
size me.
Super size me. So this is only for Jason.
Yeah.
And I have no more pasta for this American.
things. Oh god.
Okay, allora, help.
Super size me really was popular.
Okay, we do
Medium.
3/4.
300.
Yes.
300 sticks.
This is 350.
Okay.
Okay.
356.
Yes. 350. Almost 400 grams.
400
But
grams.
we never mind because I know. The flame has been the first 2-3 minutes very high because
okay.
the pasta is cold,
Yeah.
so it needs for more energy, no?
So you make it really hot at first. The
Yes,
first
because
process.
you need to boil.
Okay, so you want to get it. Oh, because you cooled the water off.
Okay,
You
now
can't
you,
use it for the
you
coldest
take
pasta.
fork to put inside the boiled water, do like that. Don't do by hand, otherwise you go in the hospital. Boiling water is not friendly. Sometimes it's worse than frozen Alaska water. Yes.
Italian boiling water.
Hot, too much hot, too much cold is a problem. Okay. Now
Alright.
you let it boil.
Okay.
When you prepare the bacon, now before you heat the oil.
Yep.
When you put the pasta, you prepare the bacon and everything. But before the bacon, just 30 seconds before, just to fry it. Otherwise, the onion becomes burned
Okay.
because it is weaker than bacon
Okay.
for the cooking, no?
Yeah.
So before you put the bacon, Do you like pepper?
I like pepper.
Ah, you like pepper. So we can put some pepper.
Red pepper. Nice. What's that?
Not too much because I don't know if you like. Just a bit.
Just a bit. That looks like red pepper. Look at that. Oh my god, that's so cool. And it goes from being like opaque to being completely translucent. It's neck fat. It's so cool. Or
Okay. Black pepper.
Black pepper in the carbonara. Baking soda.
bacon.
Oh, sì, pista sale. A bit of pepper. Okay. Would be better with pecorino, but we have.
Pecorino is the cheese. And that's sea salt. What kind of salt is it?
Sea salt, yes.
But
But for food, no. They can't destroy our food. Our politicians can't destroy our food.
No.
I don't know why. The best part to make pasta is taste the pasta.
Oh.
Ah! In the eyeball. You taste it with the eyes.
But I'm thinking maybe there is better another. I don't know. It's a bit. Eat without too much salt.
Too much salt.
The amount of cheese that you put in, it was like 3 eggs and then maybe like
Some parmesan. After you put parmesan,
a lot more. Okay.
Yeah.
So you put a little bit in initially and,
Yes.
and can you put more?
you can do how you want.
No,
Really,
it's how you're doing it is how I want to see. That's the special.
Meanwhile, always meanwhile.
Yeah.
Jason Jewish.
Yeah.
Where is your dish?
My dish, right here.
No, your dish. Take your dish.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, man.
Alright.
Okay, man.
Turn it off.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
Was that?
Okay, never mind.
Oh, no, wait. Go there.
No, don't worry, don't worry.
Sorry.
Come in.
Okay.
Now we can put. Do you like spicy oil?
Yes.
Spicy oil
Yeah.
you can eat.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, spicy oil for Jason Jewish.
The
peppers.
The pepper. Let's get a close up of the pepper.
You can
Drizzle.
more, but
Drizzle
is enough.
Mm.
You can put some more if you like.
Okay.
What type of peppers are those?
Hot pepper?
Hot pepper.
Hot pepper, like chili arbor? Or?
Chili, sorry. If you want, put more.
Okay.
Okay. Now
What is it?
we do the carbonara. The fastest.
I think Bob Marley wrote a song about that.
Sing it out.
We have the. And so the flame looks like it's about.
Very high.
Very high right now?
The pasta.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Just
Okay.
cooking a bit.
Hmm.
Okay, now the pasta is hot, so the
Pasta's hot.
is cooking.
I see. So you let the pasta cook the yolk and
Cook the eggs without flame. Just a moment, just to take the.
Yeah.
Okay, watch. It is cooking.
Okay. So it's keeping itself.
Yeah, the
Nice.
heat. I hope it's nice.
No, it's gonna be.
Otherwise, don't trust him. Don't trust this pasta.
Oh wow.
Handmade salami, yeah. It's not industrial.
Yeah.
From Slovenia.
From Slovenia.
What do they use as a wrapping? Is it?
This is made by Udel from
The
Stomach.
stomach?
Yes.
Wow.
Taste it. No, smell it.
Smell it?
Oh wow.
It's not industrial, man.
No, that's pure